In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Replits to GitHub push code updates. By the end, you'll have your Replit workspace linked to your GitHub account so your projects can live in version control, stay backed up, and be ready for collaboration. I'll keep the process clear and straightforward and share a few tips along the way to help you avoid common hiccups. Start by heading to replit.com in your preferred browser. The site works well on most modern browsers, and a desktop view is easiest for this setup. If Replit prompts you to sign in, that's normal. Use your existing account or create one quickly. Once you're on the main dashboard, you're ready to begin. Next, look toward the top left of the Replit interface and find the option labeled Import or Design. Depending on the current layout, this area is where you start new projects or bring existing code into Replit. Click it to open the panel that lets you choose where your code will come from. In that panel, select the GitHub option. You'll usually see it represented by the GitHub logo or a clearly labeled GitHub tile. Clicking this tells Replit you want to connect with repositories hosted on GitHub, which is the foundation for syncing your code updates in the future. Now click Connect your GitHub account. This will open a secure authorization window from GitHub. If you don't see a window, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow the prompt for this site. In the GitHub screen, review the permissions Replit is requesting so it can read and write to your repositories on your behalf. These permissions enable features like cloning repositories into Replit and pushing your code changes back to GitHub. Confirm the authorization to complete the connection. If your GitHub account uses two-factor authentication, be ready to approve the login as part of this step. Once authorization is successful, you're connected. You'll typically see confirmation inside Replit, and you may notice your GitHub profile or repositories appearing where relevant. From here, your environment is set up for a smooth workflow where your code and Replit can be linked with GitHub, helping you keep a clean history of changes and collaborate confidently. If something doesn't look right, try refreshing the page, signing out and back in, or briefly disabling aggressive browser extensions that block pop-ups. Also, ensure you're logged into the GitHub account you intend to use. That's it. Go to replit.com, choose Import or Design, click GitHub, then connect your GitHub account. You're now ready for a reliable get back to development flow inside Replit.